I was skeptical. I was afraid. I didn't feel confident to even bring it up to anybody. But then I remind myself, you were sitting there searching for answers. Somebody else is there hoping for miracles. Somebody else is there looking for something that they don't know exists. And it felt like obligation to share it with the world because I have seen what it is capable of. I have seen the results. I have met the people who were brought back to life. And it just, as much as crazy it sounded to me, when you see over and over the evidence and validation and research that it's real, you cannot help yourself but share it with others, and especially with people that you care about. Well, that's my bigger why. I realize now it's my turn. I need to live life without limits. I cannot limit myself physically. I cannot be in pain and trying to achieve something because I have lost everything when I lost my health. I have lost everything. When people tell me this is expensive, I am thinking back to compared to what? This gave me my life back. 1 month after I started this protocol, I was able to drive 750 miles to North Carolina to visit my friends who were kind enough to invite me to spend Christmas with them so I don't spend my first Christmas alone. And I split it in 2 days, but I could never, in my wildest dreams, dream that I could drive several hours a day, get there in complete perfect energy, grab their dog and walk into woods to go for a walk because I felt so great. A month before that, I was not able to drive 1 hour. I called it my Christmas miracle because I realized something significant is happening with my body. It's all the things that I believed that are no longer changeable. But now I see, and they only get worse with age, as we all know, I was suddenly turning it around. Nothing was helping me before. I didn't want to be on medications. I didn't want to be on painkillers. And suddenly my body was healing. Something was happening. My hormones got stabilized. I lost my hot flashes. Within first week, I realized my energy was back because I went from 1 week to another in the gym when the week before I was so wiped out. I was telling my trainer, I can't, when he told me do 12 repetitions of something, I did 7 and I was wiped out. I couldn't. And you don't hire a personal trainer to slack. you have him so he makes sure you do the work that you need to do. But I was really, my body gave in. I was emotionally and physically exhausted. 1 week, and I came back to gym, and Tom told me do 12 repetitions, and I did 15. And I look up at him and I said, I can go on. I'm not even tired. And we both knew that something significantly was shifting.